Hey guys, welcome back to Jardin Autoworks. Today I want to introduce you to my daily driver, my 1990 Bronco II. So let's get to it. And here she is, my 1990 Bronco II, my daily driver. In its current condition, it's got a 4-liter V6 out of a 93 Explorer. It's backed with a 5-speed manual transmission and an electric transfer case. Underneath for the suspension, I've got a 4-inch lift kit that I found on Craigslist. The rear end is a 373 limited slip with disc brakes that I found out of a 95 Explorer. The Dana 35 front end is the original front end that came with the truck when I bought it. I replaced the automatic locking hubs with manual hubs that seem to work a little bit better for me. I'm running a 285 75/16 tire on stock chrome wheels off of a 95 Explorer. The interior remains unchanged from the day I bought it, with the exception of the front seats. The front seats are out of a 93 Eddie Bauer Edition Explorer. The only modifications that I've done to those seats are replace the seat tracks that came with the Explorer to the full sliding seat tracks out of a 1989 Bronco II. And that, my friends, is my 1990 Bronco II. It's my daily driver, it's my ongoing project, and it's my reliable vehicle too. I've got some square body trucks, I've got some dune buggies, Jaguars, and other Bronco IIs that I'd like to introduce to you also, so stay tuned to the channel. I know I can't do this without you guys, so please consider hitting that like and subscribe button and ringing that bell so that you're notified of all new videos when they come out. I'm David, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Jardin Autoworks. Thanks.